The strength of an economy lies in its factories, mines and power plants, the core sectors that build and power a nation. The Index of Industrial Production, IIP, captures the pulse of this industrial strength. The IIP closely monitors short-term changes in industrial output, covering three pillars of production: mining, manufacturing, and electricity. Using a base year indexed to 100, it indicates whether industrial activity is gaining momentum or losing pace over time. The current base year for the IIP is 2011-12. The index tracks 839 items organized into 407 item groups. The mining sector covers 29 major minerals, which are collectively represented as a single item group under mining, with a weight of 14.37%. The manufacturing sector includes 809 items grouped into 405 item groups and holds the highest weight at 77.63%. Electricity, represented by a single item group, accounts for the remaining 7.99% of the index. The mining sector includes fuel minerals like coal, crude petroleum, natural gas, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals, while manufacturing spans food products, textiles, chemicals, basic metals, machinery, etc. Electricity includes conventional and renewable sources, and it is a critical indicator. India's Index of Industrial Production, IIP, is compiled by the National Statistics Office in accordance with the United Nations International Recommendations for the Index of Industrial Production. It follows a Laspeyres index formula, comparing current production levels to those in the base year. So where does all the data come from? The IIP data is collected from 14 source agencies spread across central ministries and departments. These agencies gather production figures directly from factories, establishments, and sector-specific boards. The major source agencies are the Indian Bureau of Mines, the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, DPIIT, and the Central Electricity Authority. The index plays a vital role beyond mere statistics. It contributes to the calculation of gross value added (GVA) in manufacturing for GDP estimation and provides essential insights to the Ministry of Finance, the Reserve Bank of India, policymakers, researchers, and financial analysts for tracking the health of the industrial sector. Every month on the 28th, the National Statistics Office (NSO) releases the latest IIP figures. In case of a holiday on the 28th, the IIP is released on the next working day. In order to more accurately capture the changing economy, the ministry is working on expanding the scope and coverage of the IIP by including more sectors, items, products to better represent the industrial sector's current composition. IIP is quite simply the speedometer of every nation's industrial economy, showing us how fast we are moving and in which direction. IIP, because sound policies begin with the right measures in progress.